Welcome to the session on artificial intelligence. In this session, we will discuss some important tools that can be used by the farmers. Friends, as we know that artificial intelligence is a technology that can be used by everybody. This technology has been evolved over a long period of time. Now the tools are ready and everybody should make the use of AI tools in order to improve their performance or in order to improve their work. Students can make the use of AI. When you are working in an organization to improve your working performance, you can make the use of AI. Even farmers also can make the use of AI. In this session, we will discuss certain AI tools that can be used by the farmer in order to build a or in order to have a better farming. So let us start the session and let us understand how it is possible to make the use of AI by the farmers. Artificial intelligence, as we know, it is transforming the agriculture. Agriculture is a sector where you will find that in India, large number of people are based on the agriculture. So in agriculture, the things, many times the things are unpredictable. The things cannot be controlled by the farmer, and therefore the farmer will suffer through a loss. But this loss can be minimized by making the use of AI. They can improve the productivity, they can reduce the cost, they can predict the risk, and even it is possible that they can be supported by the data driven decision making. So it is possible that in agriculture, everyone nowadays can easily make the use of AI tools. AI tools can be used in order to monitor the progress of the crop. The soil health can also be managed by making the use of AI tools. You can forecast the weather, whether there will be rain or not, that can be forecasted by making the use of AI tools. You can optimize the irrigation, the pest can be detected, and even the market can be accessed by making the use of AI tools. So there are different phases of agriculture. All through these phases, one can make the use of AI tools. So let us understand some tools where we can make the use of monitoring and disease detection by making the use of AI tools. The farmers can identify the problems early if there are any problems with the crops, then they can be identified and we can take the corrective action. There are certain tools available such as Google Lens where we can make the use of Google Lens in order to detect the disease, plant disease. Farmers can click a picture of a diseased leaf and then the disease will be identified automatically. And even the corrective measures can also be suggested. So Google Lens is very important tool for a farmer where the disease can be detected easily. So how to use the Google Lens? You will find that if you have a mobile phone that is based on Android operating system or iOS Android operating system, then you have to install the Google Lens from the Play Store or App Store. Then you have to open the app and then you have to point your camera at an object, or you can tap the gallery to choose a photo if you have already taken some photo of the plants. And then you can tap the search and select what you want to do. So this is how you can make the use of the Google Lens. So farmer can take a photo of the affected leaves, stems or fruits, and the Google Lens will suggest the possible disease that will be there on the plant. And there are certain deficiencies. If there are, then the deficiencies will also be pointed. So it will provide the images and description for the comparison to the farmer. There is another tool that is being called as the Plantix. It can be used in India. Many people are are making the use of Plantix, and it will detect about 400 or more than 400 plant diseases. So this is a screenshot of the Plantix. You can make the use of this tool. It will give the fertilizer and pesticide recommendations. So certain recommendations related with the fertilization and pesticides will be given. And it will also offer the community support to the farmers. So what other farmers are doing, you can ask your question to the other farmers as well, and they will also help you in order to have a better farming. So how to make the use of this tool? You can install this from the App Store, or you can download it, and then from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and then it will work best on the Android, and certain features are also available on the iOS platform. So you can open the app, you can select the language. Several languages, local languages such as English, Marathi, Hindi are being provided. You can allow the camera and location permissions to the app. Then take the photo of the affected crop. Then open the app, tap the camera, take a clear photo of diseased leaf or whatever the pest or insect or damaged fruit. And then you have to ensure yourself that there is good lighting condition, and you have to focus only on the affected part of the plant. And then you can get an instant diagnosis. It will analyze the image and will show you what kind of disease is there or pest name it will suggest. It will show you the cause, fungal, bacterial, viral, insect, or certain deficiency. And it will also tell you what kind of severity level is there. And it will also suggest you some preventive and control measures. So this is a very useful tool, and people can make the use of this tool in order to detect the disease on a plant. So you can view the treatment and you can get the advice. Even you will find that certain solutions will be recommended, organic solutions, chemical solutions will be recommended. But whenever you are making the use of AI tools, always you have to cross-check with the local agriculture officer or with your farmer friends, and then only you have to take the corrective actions. Before spraying, you have to always check whether it is correct or not. And you can ask also the farmer community. So whatever the doubts you have, all those doubts can be cleared, and you will get reply from the other farmers or agriculture experts or from the other experts. And this is very useful for the local crop conditions. So thank you, friends, for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood these two tools and make the use of tools. But as I said, before using any corrective measure based on the AI tools, you have to always cross-check it and then only go for making the use of it. So think of AI tool as if your friend. So your friend or AI tool is giving you suggestion, but you have to think and you have to check whether it is correct or not, and then only you can make the use of it. Thank you all.